Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all we have to open the list of apps and enter the settings. Here let's scroll until you'll see apps, let's tap on it and now let's choose this three dots icon. Here at the very bottom of the list we've got reset app preferences option, so let's tap on it and now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notifications restrictions, default apps, background data restrictions and permission restrictions. What's more, remember that you won't lose any existing app data, so if you are ready, click on reset. And this is it. This is how to reset app preferences in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.